Welcome to part 2 of my trip to Kerrville. I've got my flag picked up and in line for my first photo. My name is Lewis and I am a throttleaholic. Okay, I'm back at the hotel where I met up with Alan, Mac, Brandon, and Robin. We're fixing to ride for the rest of the afternoon and check out some cool spots on the tour. Brandon picked out a place for lunch, so we're going to go grab a quick bite to eat first. We're eating at Billy Jean's here in Kerrville. This place had great reviews. I read after the devastating floods last year that this restaurant, during the search and recovery period, furnished needles to all the first responders. There's still a lot of debris down there along the river now. Alan has a good video on our meal. I'll leave a link to his channel rolling on too. I had the meatloaf and it was awesome. Are y'all go back to the hotel first?
No, we don't need to. I want to stop and get some gas.
Our first stop is Frio Canyon Motorcycle Stop and Big Rim Grill. Here we are at the Frio Canyon Motorcycle Stop and Big Rim Grill. Apparently we just missed the lunch crowd. It was great running into some of the rusty bolts while we were there. Stop 23 is complete. Now we're heading over to the Flying L Ranch in Bandera. think we only have time for one more stop, so we're heading over to the Waring General Store. Biscuits are numb.
Hey, thank you for traveling with Tours by Alan.
Hey, it's not the destination, it's the journey, right?
That's right. Yeah, and you ain't lying when Alan's driving.
What a great day. I can't wait until tomorrow. There's going to be some awesome riding tomorrow. Don't miss it. Be sure and subscribe, ring the bell, and give it a thumbs up. See you on the next one.